Transitional Living is a program that's designed to help students kind of set up their own support systems. It's designed to help them be completely independent. So as a TLA, I get to kind of mentor our kids, build different relationships with them, be really intentional and teach them just kind of like some of the people skills. That would be the only time it would work. One of the things that my coworker Lindsay and I really want to drive home in our girls is finding like a sense of identity and deciding for yourself like what's important to you, what you're going to value, what you're going to spend time on.
For me, I actually really enjoy TL. It's totally different because you finally start making those decisions for yourself. Like, I've definitely become way more independent than I used to be.
We only budgeted for 147, and to get it approved, it needs to be budgeted for at least 190. Right now, we're doing senior suitcase.
Basically, Milton Hershey believed that every student, when they're going off to college, they shouldn't be going there with nothing.
It's teaching the kids one about budgeting and financial planning and kind of how to think through and prioritize a list of items that they're going to need.
We can spend on things that we think we're going to need in our apartment, in our college dorm.
So this looks good, and I would be a lot more comfortable approving this.
If I was still in the student home, then I don't think I would have grown this much, and I definitely wouldn't be prepared for college.
My favorite part about being a TLA is being in a role that was so crucial to me as a student. The relationship that I had with my staff and kind of the role that they played is what I one, really valued about it, but also kind of try to emulate myself as a staff member.
For Ms. Trimmer, she went through probably exactly what I'm going through. There's something about being a Milt and talking to someone who was also once a Milt that's really comforting.
I think it just sets us apart so much. Having a program that's specifically designed to teach kids to prepare meals or manage their time or be completely independent, to pay bills their senior year, to know how to act in certain settings. It just gives them an extra step up in terms of preparedness.